Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by SmokinSteve's today. We got that Ninja CREAMI DELUXE 11-in-1. We're gonna get that thing fired up today and we're gonna be making some peach sorbet. I just love this thing. We're gonna be making a lot of different flavors of ice cream, Italian ice, sorbets, milkshakes, cremachinos. We're going to have a lot of videos and make a lot of different stuff. And I already got some grilling recipes and smoking recipes, grilling, and so on and so forth. Probably about 200 of them, so be sure to check those out. And we're just going to have some fun and let's get this peach sorbet started. Okay guys, for that peach sorbet, we used 2 cans of peaches. And we've already got them dumped in our container here, and we did mash them up a little bit using this guy after we dumped them in. You want to break that up into smaller pieces before you put it in the freezer, because once it goes into that Ninja, it's not going to cut those pieces up any smaller than what you have in the container. So we've got it into the scoopable max fill line, which is good. So we're gonna go ahead and get that in the freezer and let it sit in there overnight, well, for 24 hours, and then we're gonna make that sorbet. Okay, the hard part's over, that 24-hour wait. I just pulled this peach sorbet out of the freezer. It was in there for 24 hours, right here. And as you can see, I got a label on here. I bought these labels, and they're erasable, and you can mark on there with a felt pen and reuse the labels and on all your containers or whatever. Comes in pretty handy. When you get a bunch of containers in there, it's hard to remember what's what, and I put the date on there, you know, when it was made and all that stuff. But let's go ahead and pop the lid off, see what it looks like. Okay, now I don't know whether you can see it or not, but there's a little hump right here. It's not completely level. There's a little bump right there. And the instructions say to make sure that that's level. You don't want to damage the machine. So we're going to take a spoon and level that out, and then we're going to go ahead and make some sorbet. Okay, so I got my little spoon here. We're just going to kind of scrape this. Level this out, get that little hump out of there. This is frozen pretty good. Okay, that's looking a lot better. Just kind of even that out best you can. And what's next? Just putting it in the Ninja, and we'll show you how that's done. Pull this guy out here. Just simply put that container right in there till it drops in. We already got our blade in, so we're good to go. Lock her in place. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get that container in. It's just a matter of getting it and shoving it straight in, then turn it to the right, and it'll lift up and lock into place. So let's power this guy on. And we're going to select full. And we're going to come over here to sorbet. Okay, so we're on sorbet, and it's showing 4 minutes. So to get this guy going, we just hit the start button here. That blade is starting to spin. We're going down there and make the sorbet for us. A little bit noisy, but hopefully you can hear me. Okay, we're down to about 2. And as you can see, the difference in coloration here, that blade's down to about right here. So it's gonna make its way on all the way down to the bottom. Okay, it's a little bit quieter in here now. Just went to 0 and then it shut off. So we're gonna go ahead and yank it out of here and see what it looks like. Hit the release button or the unlock button. Let's open her up, see what she looks like. Okay, I got that lid pulled off, and I don't know whether you can tell or not, but it looks a little bit crumbly. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in again and do a respin. And that's not uncommon. You normally have to do that anyway. So we're gonna stick him back in there and do a respin. Okay, so we've got our container back in here now, and we're just gonna hit the respin function right here. Select full, forgot to do that. Do a little respin and that should make that a little bit creamier for us. And it's showing 2 minutes. Okay, after the respin, here's what we got. It's looking mighty good. So we're gonna get some in a bowl. I'm gonna be doing a taste test. Okay, we got put it in a bowl, and it's looking mighty good. Only one thing left. Yeah, you guessed it, the taste test. Look at that. That's looking mighty good. We're going in. Wow. Wow. Nice and cold, refreshing. That peach flavor. Yeah, this is good stuff. You can't go wrong with this Ninja. We're gonna be making up a lot of flavors as time goes on. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. So you'll be notified whenever I come out with a new video or whatever. So we're gonna do some ice cream, some drinks, make some drinks with the Ninja. We're gonna be doing some cooks. I'm gonna be doing a roadhouse steak here in a few days. It's all good here at SmokinSteve's. So be sure to subscribe, like, ring that bell, and share the video. I hope to see you on the next one.